Hi, I'm Steve Clapp, the Director of Fleet Maintenance for the Rapid, which is a city bus service for the Grand Rapids and surrounding cities here in Michigan. The Rapid has a fleet of 157 transit buses and 35 support vehicles, such as vans and light-duty trucks. DetailXPerts performs the cleaning, disinfecting, detailing, and fueling services for our buses, as well as for our support vehicles. We began working with DetailXPerts in December of 2021, and they do a wonderful job maintaining the cleanliness and sanitizing of our vehicles. Their teams work well together and with my staff. Their national executive team is committed and fully involved with their local teams, as well as with my staff, through regularly scheduled meetings to ensure that they're meeting the mark. DetailXPerts performs daily cleans on our fleet, as well as scheduled deep cleans, making sure our vehicles shine for our customers that ride the buses. They provide their own quality assurance checks to ensure that they don't miss those hard-to-get places and out-of-sight areas that typically get neglected. I'm extremely happy with their work, their team, and their commitment to customer service.